Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it is week number 7 of the Home Organization Challenge sponsored by Tony Hammersley over at A Bowl Full of Lemons. Thank you so much if you have been joining me for this challenge. Thank you for the comments. I've heard nothing but positive comments since we have been working on this challenge. As most of you know, it took me an extra week to do the bedroom, and now I am actually still sick, but I'm working through because I cannot afford to get behind another week. It's also zone 4 of the Fly Lady, which is the master bedroom, master bath. So I'm going to be doing a 15-minute declutter in there tonight as well. But we're going to be working in the master closet, and this is going to be a part of the 14-week home organization challenge. So here's what we're going to be looking at. I printed out the checklist or the challenge kit that Tony posted from her blog. I'll try to remember to post that in the description box below. Sometimes I forget, but I'll try to remember and post it, as well as post in the Facebook group if you want to join. So she tells us to gather 8 bins or boxes. So right off the bat, I am not doing this rule because I can't stand a lot of stuff. So she wants baskets for keep for your current season, keep out of season, donate, sell, trash, recycle, other rooms, shoes, and accessories. I'm going to do just about everything on the bed because the bed is made and it is big enough to hold everything. My closet is not very big. Then sort. I'm going to sort through everything in the closet. I'm going to take almost everything out as much as I can, with the exception of a couple boxes that I am storing in the closet, only until I get some extra shelving built in the garage, and then those boxes are going into the garage. Clean. I'm going to vacuum the floor. It is carpet in there, so I'm just going to vacuum a little bit. I'm going to wipe down the doors, the baseboards, doorknobs, and switch plates. I'll get Jackson to help me with that since he's shorter. Then I'm going to wipe down any shelving. I have 2 shelves that I actually placed in the closet that I'm going to switch their placements, and so we will wipe those down. And then it says to dust the lights. So I've been trying to decide if I wanted to change to the daylight light bulb in my closet, but I'm not sure if the wattage I have is the right wattage for that closet. So I'm going to leave it for now and just try to put some extra light in there as best as I can. But when I get the right wattage, then I am going to change that to a daylight bulb. The next thing is to organize. We're going to go through everything in the bins, and then I'm going to organize my clothing according to liked items. So short sleeve, long sleeve, sweaters, pants, jeans, dresses, skirts, shorts, and any of those types of things. For this project, I will not be purchasing anything, so there's nothing for my shopping list, and everything under to do is either here for sort, clean, or organize. So come along with me as I begin to work in my master bedroom closet. Okay, everybody, I am done in the master bedroom. It took a little longer than I had anticipated. However, we did stop and eat dinner and do a few other things. So let me show you what we were able to accomplish in the master closet. So here's the master closet, and I'm pretty happy with it, with the small exception. I was trying to switch this shelf out with this shelf to make them, you know, this one here and that one there. But for some reason, it would not make that transition. So that's okay. We kept it the way it was. We went ahead and vacuumed everything. I did have my picture standing up on top of here, but it is too... It gets covered up by the clothes. The more clothes I have, I did declutter. So I may have it put here, or I'm going to have it actually put in the bedroom. I'm not really sure just yet. So I'll start here. We probably decreased clothes down to about half the size of what we had previous. And these are just pants over here. Shirts, dresses, sweaters, everything on this side. We were able to cull out a lot of the shoes. Well, not a lot. I'm not even going to say that. I did get rid of a couple of pair. But I still do have quite a few pair. And I just can't bring myself to get rid of my shoes. So that's there. We did clean out a lot of things that were down here. And then everything that was down underneath here is now gone. I do have a lot of stuff going out to the garage just so I can get out there on another day when I'm feeling better and figure out what is going to donate and what's going to be either repurposed or gifted out. So I put all of my jewelry here, hung all of the jewelry that was not hung, and then I did incorporate using the jewelry box with earrings and rings and different things like that. I kept one beauty case here, and then I kept another beauty case because this one actually has makeup in it. I do have a few fragrances and things there, and then my apothecary jar down here where I had shoes, that's all now empty. And of course, when I get the new shelving built outside, then everything up here will go outside. But for right now, I'm just having to leave it there because I don't want to put more stuff out in the garage without the shelving built. But anyway, that is the master bedroom closet makeover, or clean with me, organized. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next home organization project, bye.